In health news, cases of pertussis are rising around the country and at home here in Genesee County.
The Genesee County Health Department is warning of a spike in whooping cough cases infecting residents. Our Alyssa Irwin spoke with a pediatric doctor about what he is seeing in the hospital setting and the recommendations to keep families and loved ones safe.
According to the Genesee County Health Department, right now in the county, there are 31 cases of pertussis, also known as whooping cough. Doctors around Flint say they have seen children coming into their doctor's offices for this sickness.
Over the last 2-3 months, I have encountered 2 or 3 babies at least. I know my other colleagues have seen more, including 4-week-old baby, 2-week-old baby that had to be in the hospital monitored for almost 3-4 weeks.
Dr. Yassine Rafi, a pediatric infectious disease doctor at Hurley Medical Center, explains whooping cough is mainly a respiratory infection, spread through coming in contact with the virus or with someone infected with it.
It's a bacteria that affect the throat, the upper airways, that can initially look like a common cold.
Symptoms include a fever, common cold symptoms, and then a harsh cough, mimicking a whooping sound. Dr. Rafi says if left untreated for too long, other illnesses like pneumonia can follow suit.
Early on, you can give antibiotic that helps. Once you start to have the whooping cough, we still give antibiotics that kind of help minimize the symptoms, but it doesn't help that much later on.
Young children, especially infants, are at the greatest risk, but often teens and adults spread the infection to young children. Dr. Rafi says he thinks there is an uptick right now in certain illnesses, like pertussis, because vaccination rates are down.
We have started to see more outbreaks because overall the vaccination rate in the population, the percentage of people who are protected are far less nowadays compared to the old days. So every few months, every 1 or 2 years, we see an uptake in the cases. And overall, if you look at the last 10 years, the trend is much higher than earlier on. So it's making a way and making a comeback.
According to the health department, the number of reported whooping cough cases this year is higher than the number we saw last year. Here in Genesee County, I'm Alyssa Irwin with ABC 12 News.